Hi everyone, my name is Peter Bull. I'm one of the co-founders of DrivenData. Our mission is to bring the power of big data to the social sector. So, by now you probably know Netflix is pretty good at guessing the movies you want to watch. But what you might not know is how they got there. In 2006, Netflix issued a public challenge. They offered $1 million to the team that could improve their recommendation algorithm by 10%. This was one of the first examples of harnessing the power of the crowd to build smart algorithms. At DrivenData, we want to harness that power for social impact. This is video footage of Vanuatu, where a recent cyclone devastated the community. Imagine a world in which a disaster relief organization could use footage like this to map and quantify the extent of the damage so they can better allocate their resources and distribute supplies. We have the methods to do this. We have the computational power. The problem is that data scientists who can do this work are hard to find and they're expensive to hire. In fact, some people have gone so far as to call them unicorns. But they're not like unicorns because unicorns aren't real. They're more like people wearing unicorn masks. They're just very rare. McKinsey has estimated that there will be 190,000 unfilled analytics positions in 2018. And if there's that kind of shortfall in the commercial sector, the social sector is going to lag even further behind. This is where DrivenData comes in. I'm going to walk you through our process using that disaster relief example. The first thing we do is talk to the organization and figure out what's a good question that they can answer with their data. We then take their data, in this case maybe it's reports from the field, maybe it's supply orders, images, in this case it's videos, and we release that to our global community of data scientists. They compete to come up with the best algorithm for this particular problem, and our platform automatically identifies the highest performing solution, so we can give that to the organization and they can use it in their operations going forward. In our pilot competition, we worked with a group locally called Education Resource Strategies. They weren't sure they had a big data problem, but together we identified an opportunity where they could use an algorithm to do work that they had been doing manually. And they're estimating that the result of our competition is saving them $50,000 a year going forward. So, data cuts across all issue areas. We've worked in education. We've had success in public health, helping Planned Parenthood to understand trends in women's health care. Right now, we're working with the city of Boston to help them target their restaurant inspections to the ones most likely to have hygiene violations. And we're doing that by using data from Yelp to see the clues that consumers are leaving online on these review sites that can help them do that targeting. We're also expanding to international aid organizations, foundations that want to improve the impact of their grantees, and civic organizations that want to jumpstart engagement with their open data initiatives. This is a pretty big market. It's estimated at $12 billion, and investment in IT is growing, and the portion of IT budget that's invested in analytics is also growing. We charge a fee for service based on the complexity of the problem we're looking at. Some of that money goes to the scientists, some of it covers our costs, and the rest is our profit. In October, we launched with 70 data scientists on our platform, mostly from the Harvard and MIT communities. Today, we have over 2,500 data do-gooders, and they come from all over the world. More locally, our team has experience in data science, software engineering, and business. And we've worked in nonprofits, consulting, technology, and for the government. We project that our revenue will grow to $3 million in the next 5 years. And the scale of our impact, building data capacity and data literacy in the social sector, will grow even larger. We have two asks for you today. The first is contacts and connections to innovative organizations that want to use data to drive impact. The second is that these organizations are often on tight budgets. So we're building a network of third-party funders for projects. This can be individuals that care about an issue area, foundations that want to raise the bar for measuring and improving impact across the board, or corporate social responsibility groups that want to reflect their innovative spirit in the nonprofit world. We think that data scientists shouldn't be spending their time trying to get us to put more ads. We should should be spending our time getting them to improve more lives.